Hey guys, so we're in my future kitchen here and I'm working on cleaning up this natural stone fireplace in here. It's got about 50 years of dirt, soot, dust, all accumulated on it, so it is filthy. As you can see, I've got a lot of it done already, but I thought I'd take a minute to shoot a little video here and show you guys how I'm going about doing this. I started off with the recommendation I've seen a little bit online, and that's using the scrubbing bubbles. And that actually did do a good job. The only problem is I was having to do about 2 passes of it. And I was using these nylon brushes that I just picked up off Amazon. You get the whole kit for maybe like 15 bucks. I can leave a link in the description for that, as that is the way I'd recommend it if you're using it on a delicate brick or say tile. But the method I'm going with, it's getting it done in basically 1 pass, is using these wire wheels. It just goes in your chuck just like a drill bit would, and then just soaking it down with water. So the water's acting like a lubricant kind of, and it's helping rinse it all down. So to pretty much start with this, you obviously want to have a lot of towels down, and especially if you're in a finished area, probably a big tarp in order to catch any of the grime that's flinging off, as well as the water that's coming down. Fortunately, I'm in the middle of construction in here, so it's not as big of an issue for me. I still do have some old beach towels laying down just to catch all the runoff. But without further ado, I'll bring you in closer and we'll get a little shot of this stuff working. So what I got going on here is I got a little pump sprayer here with just water in it and a couple drops of Dawn dish soap. What I've been doing is just saturating the entire row that I'm working on, and that way it just helps loosen things up. And as you progress, it's obviously going to be wet because it's running down the next row. So I think that helps just to keep things loose. So by the time you get to that row, it's already all ready to go for you. And then simply take your wire wheel and just go to town. And then rinse it off. Then you'll see any spots that you need to touch up. That one looks pretty good, but then all you do is just give it a little rub again and then rinse it off. So it's a pretty simple concept. I do like these wire wheels versus the wire cups a little bit better. It seems like you get a little bit more control out of it, and getting in nooks and crannies as well. The wire cup seems like it throws you all over the place. It just goes where it wants to. You have just a little bit better control that I find a little bit helpful. So pretty much now it's just rinse and repeat. Well, I'll be honest with you guys. When I first thought about doing this project, it was a little daunting. I was afraid, it would be a big mess and everything, but it turns out just laying out those towels and using this method, it works out great. But I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Comment if you guys got any questions for me, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.